Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Beit ya katanat boarding uba Prestone Tinsong menta ka arpu pratrik ujil liu ulong ba sarkar kamton la chu da kumwei henai ka hab ban Pynlip Beit ya kading namar ba kalai kandu Jingeh bat bam la chu ban Pynlip bat kane ka dei namar ba ka unit ka ba mi boarding Naka hydro power project bat ko umtru hydro power project kila sngi ban ai boarding namar ba kidan ka jingthod nalor kane kidan sa kiwei kidaw ba kikatu kat ni company sam boarding ru kimla ban ai boarding namar ba kidan ka jingthod ban nakani kadaw ka sarkar ka hab ban Pynlip ding bet kumba at kanta ee man kasngi wala ka sarkar kala sngotho ya ka Jingeh jong kipai ba henry kamban se ban sim ya kani ka senjam.
We these few days back we have crisis and the crisis is beyond our control. I think I wanted to explain little more detail so that our customers or people do understand the challenges faced by MECL as a whole. Very unfortunate, I'm telling you, recently one unit of this Leska power project broke down, and right now the repairing work is still on. And then again one unit of Umtro again broke down, and very soon we are going to restore it. Then another one unit each of Umtro stage 2 and stage 1. Again the unit broke down, but I'm very sure maybe within weeks time at least 2 or 3 units will be able to make it function. So right now, you know, the total that we have the shortage of power generation, it's about 122 megawatt. 122 megawatt. It is not a joke where we have shortage, and that again, let me just tell you, even from NIPCO, they have some technical problem where they reduce the supply of power to the MECL. Again, that also added the extra burden to the MECL. We are in touch with the management of the NIPCO, so I'm sure, as I said to you, maybe within 1 week's time, we will be able to restore and also to lift the load shedding that is happening now.